Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the LEGO Technic Mars Crew Exploration Rover, an incredible NASA-inspired space building set that's perfect for kids, teens, and even adult LEGO fans. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Now, let's get into the review. NASA-inspired Mars Rover, a realistic space adventure. This LEGO Technic Mars Exploration Rover is designed to mimic real-life NASA rovers, with an authentic design, moving parts, and realistic detailing. From rugged wheels built for Martian terrain to functional suspension, this set brings space exploration to life. Advanced Building Kit, perfect for LEGO fans and STEM learning. Hammer and Wrench, this isn't just a toy, it's an educational STEM project that helps kids and teens understand engineering concepts while having fun. The Technic system makes it a challenging and rewarding build, perfect for those who love mechanical designs. Cool features and moving parts. White check mark, all-terrain suspension. Just like real Mars rovers, this LEGO model features suspension that adjusts to rocky surfaces, making it look and feel authentic. White check mark, working robotic arm. The extendable arm adds a realistic touch, perfect for imagining scientific research on Mars. White check mark, detailed cockpit and interior. The cockpit has an authentic design, making it feel like a real mission control center. White check mark, sturdy LEGO Technic build, built for durability. This set is strong and display-worthy. Perfect gift for space and LEGO fans. Present, whether you're buying for kids, teens, or adult LEGO collectors, this set is a fantastic gift for anyone fascinated by space, NASA, and Mars exploration. It's a great way to spark curiosity in science and engineering while having fun. Final verdict, is it worth it? If you're a LEGO Technic fan, a space enthusiast, or someone who loves realistic mechanical builds, the Mars Crew Exploration Rover is an amazing choice. It's educational, fun, and a great display piece once built. Definitely a must-have for NASA and LEGO lovers. Don't forget to check the link below for the best deals on the LEGO Technic Mars Rover. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next review.